Hey JSerra, I'm Jacob.
And I'm Alex.
And welcome to today's edition of the Line Report.
To start things off, we have some exciting news for all you guys watching.
This Friday, October 9th, be sure to wear your favorite JSerra program or spirit shirt with jeans, joggers, or sweats. Absolutely no leggings, pants with holes, tank tops, or mid-shirts. It's a day to support your campus sport, club, magnet, retreat, or just to show your school spirit.
And anyone interested in the equestrian team, there will be a Zoom meeting tomorrow night at 6:30 p.m. Email Mrs. Mary Victoria Taylor for more information.
And don't forget, coming up on October 15th is the Zoom to the Future College Fair, taking place virtually online from 6 to 8 p.m. Over 200 colleges and universities will be attending. Be sure to register online at jserra.org/collegefair.
Hey Jacob, have you seen Kennedy's new segment about weird noises?
No, I haven't, but I hear it's pretty funny.
Let's check it out.
Good morning, JSerra. I'm Kennedy, and today we're going to be asking JSerra to make the weirdest noise they can make. Let's go see. Make the weirdest noise you can think of. What's the weirdest noise you can make? Make the weirdest noise you can think of.
Can't make any weird noises.
Yes, you can.
I'm born normally. I don't know what to tell you.
What's the weirdest noise you can make?
I can make a Chewbacca sound. I can't.
Nice.
Thanks for that, Kennedy. Next up, Maggie and Lauren team up in a cooking segment to bake a wedding cake.
Let's see how it turned out.
Hey JSerra, we decided since quarantine was really nothing better to do, we're gonna attempt to make a wedding cake. And yeah, hopefully this doesn't flop. Yay! We preheated the oven at 350. Ready one-handed. All good. Yeah. Oh. Eggs are such a weird consistency. Get all the air bubbles out. I think you're good. Oh, yeah. Don't forget to spray, guys. It's a rookie mistake. Don't be a rookie. No, we're not rookies over here. I didn't spray. The freak is up, tubers. Okay guys, we finished our cake. We're like so professional and it looks so good. We're really good decorators. Bye guys!
Super sick skills, you guys.
Sadly, that's all that we have for you today, JSerra.
Thanks for tuning in. I'm Jacob.
And I'm Alex. And have a wonderful rest of your day.